Oh, hey guys! Have you heard how crazy popular Saja boys are these days? Even Lime has become a fan. If you guys like Saja boys too, hit that like button and stay tuned for fan art. I've prepared some long vertical paper. Fold the long paper in half. Please fold the paper using the diagram on the right as a reference. Fold it about 4 centimeters outward. Fold it inward 2 centimeters. I'll fold the other side the same way. Fold it all the way down, and now it's time to draw. Today I'm going to try drawing with black markers. The top part of the folded paper will be used to draw Mystery's hair. The bottom part of the folded paper will create a V-line face. I'll draw a mouth that looks like it's singing. I'll add some more details based on the hairstyle. When drawing without a sketch, you have to draw boldly. It doesn't matter if it's wrong. I'm just gonna draw with this mindset. Now unfold the paper and draw the mirror image on the folded part. Connecting the facial lines. What should I draw? Something scary? Something broken? Hehe. Today I'll draw with a feeling of being in love. Let's have fun coloring! Yay! Color the hot eyes with red maca. Fill in Mystery's skin tone with the salmon pink maca pen. I'm coloring my entire hair with sky blue marker pen. Who is your favorite member of Saja Boys? Leave a comment below with the member you want to see in the next Saja Boys fan art. Lime will definitely give it a try. I'll carefully color the inside of the fold too. Lately, I've been loving the Saja Boys group songs. Which song do my friends like the most? I find myself humming Soda Pop and dancing with my shoulders. Adds a pop of color with an orange knit-style garment. Don't skip any small details. Color them all in. I didn't forget to sign the LimeTube either. All right, now I'll fold the finished picture again. Oh, Mystery's mysterious looks are so cool, right? Yikes! You might even find a funny mystery when you unfold the paper. How did you like the 2 different hidden pictures in one image, friends? If you enjoyed it, hit subscribe and like. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye!